Hello again everyone, welcome to our eBay box break. This is for the 2011-2012 Upper Deck SP Authentic box break number 6. Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton. Serial number NE1632160000. Let's get on with the break. Good luck, everyone. Yeah, there's a rookie extended series in this, so those cards will be sent out. They're one in every 2 packs. I'll just call the name out once I see them and the team, so you know. I'll be saying base a lot, so pack number 1. Base. We have a rookie Hall of X card for the Flyers of Matt Reed. Decoy. Base. Pack number 2. Base. Matt Reed for the Flyers. Decoy and base. Pack number 3. Base. Decoy. SP Essentials. Hit for the Stars of Jamie Benn. Base. Base. David Alstrom for the Islanders. Decoy and base. Base. Nice hit for the Vancouver Canucks, the Sign of the Times auto of Trevor Linden. Decoy and base. Base. Brett Connolly for the for the Lightning. Decoy, base. Decoy. SP Essentials hit for the Penguins of Sidney Crosby. Base. Zach Ronaldo for the Flyers. Decoy and base. Second row of packs. Base. Kevin Marshall for the Flyers. Decoy, base. Base. Carl Klingberg for the Jets. Decoy, base. Yeah, base. Decoy, base. Decoy, base. Decoy, base, and base. Hopefully there's a patch in these last packs. Base, base, base. I have a Future Watch card for the Edmonton Oilers of Milan Kitnar. Decoy and base. Base, base. A Future Watch auto hit for the Columbus Blue Jackets of David Savard. It's $260 out of $9.99. Decoy, base, and base. We have base, base. Nice hit for the Oilers. A Sign of the Times auto of Jordan Eberle. Nice hit. Decoy, base, and base. Last row packs. Base, base. Roman Horak for the Flames. Decoy, base, and base. Base, base, base. We have a rookie Hall of X for the San Jose Sharks of Harry Sateri. Decoy and base. Base, base, base. And a rookie Hall of X hit for the Maple Leafs of Jake Gardner. Decoy and base. Base, base. TJ Brennan for the Sabres. Decoy, base, and base. Base, base. Corey Troop for the Sabres. Decoy, base, and base. Base, base. Simone Despres for the Penguins. Decoy, base, and base. 2 packs to go. We have base, base, base. Andre Peterson for the Senators. Decoy, and base. And the last pack. We have base, base, base. Future Watch hit for the Washington Capitals of Cody Eakin. $379 out of $9.99. Decoy and base. So just have an announcement. There's a few people that have already seen this. If you've seen this already, I apologize. I do have my own website up and running, breakawaysc.com. If you go to the site, just click on this button, the register button. You can register for your chance to win. We have a couple cards we're giving away for all new registrants to the site for July. I'll show you those in a second. We're also going live on BlogTV starting tonight at 6 p.m. We have our two first ever group breaks. We have them listed. We still have spots available. The 2 of them are listed just under here on the group break tab. The rules are there, plus the 2 breaks that we have listed. So if you want to go to the site and purchase them there, you can. The first one is a 8-box case of Panini Titanium. 29 spots are available. There are some sold already. And also we have another one. It's a 10-box mix of Panini product. Also 29 spots. Both drafts are team drafts. If you don't know how they work, all you have to, the rules are there to explain it, but I can explain it quickly. All 29 people that are in the break will put the list in random.org. Randomizes the list 3, 4, or 5 times depending on what we decide when we're on BlogTV. Whoever's first on the list after the randoms are done, you get first pick of whatever team you'd like. So if whoever's first picks Edmonton, Edmonton's gone. It goes to the next pick, and if they pick Boston, then Boston's gone, and so on and so on. It's just like a draft. Same thing in the NFL, NHL. Once a team's gone, then you can't pick them again. And the 10-box mix, it's 10 boxes of Panini Contenders, 2 boxes of Contenders, 2 certified, 2 rookie anthology, 2 limited, and 2 titanium. And the cards we're giving away, here's one of them. It's a Ryan Nugent-Hopkins Panini Contenders rookie card. This is for the July entrance. Also, the Landon Scott card. So if you like as well, you can follow us on Twitter and like us on Facebook, and your name will be entered 2 more times into the monthly draw for those 2 cards. And also, if you're participating in the group breaks, the first 2 that we have listed, we're also giving away this Ryan Nugent-Hopkins Young Gun rookie card for everybody that participates in the 2 group breaks we have listed for tonight. So thank you very much again for watching. Hope to see you again next time, and hope to see you tonight on BlogTV and register on the site.